Hey folks, it is July 31st, 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm going to dig up some more potatoes. I dug up a couple already days ago, well, more than days ago now. But these plants are looking pretty bad, so I figured I'd dig up some and see what we've got here. These should be red potatoes. I think next year I'm not going to grow them in the ground at all. I think what I want to do is grow them in a pot. I've got several pots growing. Let's see what we've got. Oh yeah. Red potatoes. 1, 2, 3. Well, maybe I should let them grow some more. Well, I should have got more than 3 or 4. Maybe there's more deeper. I don't know. We'll see. Well, that's not going to be good if that's all that's there. I got a bunch of potatoes out of the other one. All right, let's see. Oh, there's some more. There's one at least. A couple more. Well, we're good for one meal, that's for sure. Let's see what else we got. I got none there. I think I saw another one. Not the best ground for growing potatoes. My first year ever, actually. No, I guess that's going to be it. So I'm going to let these other ones grow. Yeah. Oh, what? There's another one. Cool. Well, I got enough for 2 meals. I planted these May 15th. Think I'll let them go a couple more weeks. Talk to you soon.